What's the meaning of absenteeism? Absenteeism. 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 Absenteeism is the habitual pattern of absence from a duty or obligation without good reason. It can be unplanned or planned. Unplanned absenteeism is usually due to illness, injury, or other personal reasons. Planned absenteeism is usually due to vacation, personal leave, or other reasons. Absenteeism can have a negative impact on the workplace, including reduced productivity, increased costs, decreased morale, increased safety risks. There are a number of things that employers can do to reduce absenteeism, including providing a healthy and safe work environment, offering flexible work arrangements, providing employee assistance programs, addressing underlying causes of absenteeism,